Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to draw and color a super cute cartoon parrot step by step. Let's start by sketching the basic shape of our parrot. Being with a large oval for the body, then draw a circle for the head attached to it. Add a curved beak in the front and sketch two cute round eyes. Next, draw the wings on both sides and add the tail feather sticking out from the back. Don't forget the little feet underneath, where keep this cartoon style simple and rounded to make it adorable. Once you are happy with your sketch, grab a black marker or fine liner and carefully outline the whole drawing. This will make your artwork stand out. Add some small detail like feather lines on the wings and slightly shading in the eyes to bring your parrot to life. Now come the fun part, coloring. For this parrot we're using bright and cheerful color. Red for the most of the body and head. Yellow for the beak and feet. Take your time, fill in each section nearly. You can use marker like I did here, or feel free to use color pencil or crayon colors. Blue for the wings and tail tips, white for the belly and around the eyes, black for the eyes with the little white shine spot to make it look cute. And that's it. Your colorful cartoon parrot is ready. Doesn't it look adorable? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun drawing videos.